Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create your first database in Airtable for 2025. Airtable combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the power of a database, making it perfect for managing projects, content calendars, or client lists. Step 1. Open Airtable and sign in with your Google or email account. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace dashboard. Click on Start from Scratch or Create a Base. A base in Airtable is like your main project or file where all your data will live. You can name it something like My First Project or Content Tracker and choose an icon and color theme that helps identify it easily. Step 2. Once your base opens, you'll see a spreadsheet-style layout with columns and rows. Each column is called a field and each row is a record. Think of fields as categories like name, date, or status, and records as individual entries under them. Step 3. Click on the plus sign at the top of a column to add a new field. You can choose different field types such as single-line text, attachments, checkboxes, or even drop-down menus. Airtable allows you to fully customize how your data is stored. For example, you can create a field for client name, another for project deadline, and one for status. Step 4. To make your database more visual, switch your view from grid to Kanban, gallery, or calendar. This helps you see your data in the way that best suits your workflow. Step 5. You can also link records between tables by selecting Link to another record, which connects related information across your database. Step 6. Once you've added your fields and views, click the Share button at the top right to invite team members. They can edit, view, or comment based on permissions you set. That's how you create your first database in Airtable 2025. It's fast, flexible, and perfect for both beginners and teams. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.